So I'll be showing you how to record slow motion videos on your Samsung Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra. So just launch the camera application. Usually you want to record in using the back cameras. And so what you want to do is in the menu at the bottom here, scroll all the way to the end until you see more. And once you have more highlighted, you will see an extra menu. Now on this extra menu is where you'll find slow motion. Okay, so tap on slow motion and that turns on the slow motion camera, and you can tell the slow motion camera because the shutter button looks different and it says slow motion at the bottom. And in slow motion there are two things you can do in slow motion. So you have, if you tap on the resolution, you can record in Ultra HD at 240 frames per second, at 240 frames per second, or you can have full HD at 120 frames per second, mainly depending on what you mainly what you want really. So you have Ultra HD and full HD. In Ultra HD you have the option for only 120 frames per second. So whatever you select, now you can record anything in slow motion. So for instance, I can record myself snapping my fingers like this and stop, and this is the slow motion video. Okay, so that is basically how to record slow motion videos on your Samsung Galaxy S25 and S25 Ultra. They're all going to be added to the gallery just like any other multimedia. Let me show you something I recorded in slow motion. It's actually really good and really smooth. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.